Yo, how's everybody doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Brand new streaming people. Let me know when you guys can hear me well. And also, smash the like button as usual. Okay? Smash the like button. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yep. You guys hear me? Welcome, welcome. No, I'm not trading gold. Yeah, we're gonna light trade today. Boom. 50 RSI strategy. We're gonna try to make some money. And before I even start saying hi, I want to let you know that there is one broker that I'm going to start using starting off today. A new broker, and I'm actually going to start using it because it's available in the US, which, if you ask me, it's quite of a game changer. You want to know what broker that is? Let me take a picture for Instagram for the stream. There you go. I'm just gonna let people know we're live. You want to know what that broker here? Who in here is in the U.S. by the way? Hey, from Egypt. How you doing, Mohammed? How you doing, my man? Let's see how many people join in today. Smash the like button as soon as you join. If you didn't smash the like button, I'm gonna know. I'm gonna beat you. No, I'm just kidding. But go ahead and smash the like as usual. I'm just making a post right here on Instagram. Nigeria, how you doing? Good morning. Well, good afternoon for me right now. Bangladesh, how you doing? Nigeria. What platform I'm trading today? I'm gonna be trading most likely Quotex because I already had my session with Pocket, but I'm gonna be trading real market, so it doesn't really matter what broker you have. It's gonna be real market, so it's cool. So yes, I'm gonna start using a brand new broker today called Close Options. Why am I going to start? Oh shoot. Why am I going to actually do this? Basically, because I know there's a lot of people from the US that are interested on getting a new broker, and therefore I decided to test it. I looked around for the past couple of weeks trying to find reviews and trying to infiltrate, into them. And so I decided to finally go ahead and start trading with them. Okay, I've been trading on demo for the past few days, and as you can see, right here, it started at 100,000, I think, and it's 103,000. So I kind of got the hang of it. We're gonna talk about it on a future stream because I haven't really been able to identify where the indicators and stuff are, and that's something I don't really like. But you always have trading view in order to analyze the markets and so on. Put the link right here in the description of this video, and also in the live chat. I put it right there so you guys can join if you want to. It's a 100% free demo account anyways. So they give new users free $10. It's good to know. Thanks a lot for letting me know that. And yeah, I'm going to have the link to it in the description of this video for US traders. So, yeah, I see another person, South Africa, another person from Nigeria. How you doing today? California, man, miss California. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, people. We're going to be doing some light trades on the 50 RSI strategy. Okay, we got some nice payouts right now with QuadX, so that's actually always good. All I got to do right now is actually to switch my RSI levels to 50. And that is it. We are ready to go. I'm going to switch to 5. And I'm going to add my moving average. There you go. To identify the trend. I don't like this moving average. Hold on. I'm just going to switch it. There you go. Red is good. Okay. I don't think they got all the indicators I've been looking for the times I've used them. Yep. Look, I remember back in 2015, I used to use, I remember the name, trade stock charts or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But it was basically a like trading view, and you used to use it in order to identify trades and pretty much analyze the market. So I guess it's not the end of the world, and it's always an alternative. South Africa, how you doing? Damn, I'm starving. Go ahead and smash the like button as usual, and let's go ahead and start looking for some trades. You guys want to trade today? Or you just want education? You tell me. I'm open. You guys want to trade or you just want education? What do you guys want? Yeah, there's a delay on YouTube. It's always been a delay on YouTube. There's pretty much nothing we can do about it. But this strategy is not a turbo, so... You're going to have plenty of time to enter. Education. Okay. All right. Let's do both. All right. Obviously, it's not going to be a deep education training or anything, but, you know. So the 50 RSI strategy. What is the 50 RSI strategy? For those of you who are not familiar, I'm just going to take like 5-10 minutes in order to explain it. And then we're going to find some real life examples so we could actually trade. I haven't traded in QuadX in 5 days. So I think it's good. I'm sorry I'm sleepy. It's just I haven't eaten today. I'm fasting. So I'm kind of right now in this, you know, if anybody does fasting, then you probably know that there's a moment of the day when you feel a little bit lazy. This is the moment, but don't worry. We're going to work it out. Hi from India, brother. Can you give a practical of the strategy that you explained in the 1-hour video? What do you mean? Practical of the strat. Oh, you mean the 1 minute? No, we're going to talk about today the 50 RSI, but I promise we're going to have more streamings in regards to the 1 minute strategy. Giveaway of 3 BLW AI binary tool. I'm going to give away a total of 3 membership or 3 lifetimes of the BLW binary AI, the BLW AI binary tool, 100% free to 3 people if we get to the target of the 10 super chats. All right. And this BLW AI binary tool, by the way, is based on this strategy itself. All right. So for those of you who are not familiar with the 50 RSI strategy, basically is a strategy that combines the trending and it gives us like an actual entry based on that trend that is like almost sniper. Okay, so we identify the trend. Let me look for a nice trend. This is OTC. This is OTC. All right, let me look for some real markets. There you go. All right, this is a nice trend. Take a look. So the trend is basically identified by the 50 SMA moving average. And right now, since you identify it's an uptrend, all you have to do is pretty much wait for the RSI to reach the 50 level. Once it reaches the 50 level, there's a retraction coming up. And that's pretty much it. You enter 3 or 5 minute strategy, a 5 minute expiration time. Regardless, it really depends on what you want. I'd rather go with 3. And the other indication has to be that the stochastic is in a good position to cross up. Okay. Once you actually identify that, you go to one. First of all, the trend has to be the same on 15 and 5. Like this one right here is perfect. And then you go to 1 minute candlesticks in order to choose the entry. The entry should be an overbought or oversold condition. Is that making sense to y'all? Good day. Hi. Well, not too many people watch the story right now. So is that making sense? All right. First of all, right now we are at 5 minutes, and then we are going to wait for an opportunity. Hopefully we have a good opportunity right now. You see, I didn't extend much on the educational part, but we can go along. I mean, you can ask questions right now. I'll go ahead and take a look at those questions as usual and answer them live. That's why these lives are so valuable. You don't get it. Well, one thing that you could do, I mean, after this streaming, is that you could go into the my YouTube channel. There is a playlist section. If you go to my channel and you go to playlists, then you're gonna find a playlist for the BLW US for the 50 RSI strategy. 50 RSI strategy. Yeah, it's got like 200 videos. Why check 50 minutes? The 50-minute checking or double checking is pretty much so that you have an extra confirmation that the trend is that one, because it could be a downtrend in 15 minutes and then an uptrend in 5, and obviously the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend. And so it's very likely that the price will continue the trend on 15 minutes. So it's better to just have the both of the time frames going into the same trend. That way, you know, you have a lot more potential to be profitable. How many years take you to be a successful trader? It took me successful, I would say like a year. Profitable, like 6 months. But you know, profitable and successful, a whole different deal. This strategy, game changer. It works wonders for me over the last 12 months. Thanks, coach. You're more than welcome, Richard. I'm happy for you. I keep making and losing with this strategy. Any extra tips? Very general question. I would say it's all emotional. In 1 minute candles before the entry, do you wait till it reaches the bottom RSI limit, or just when the stochastic is about to cross? In 1 minute, I would wait for it to be overbought or oversold. Yeah, you got it right. You got it right. What? Scam. Anytime you guys get an actual message from me, like texting you first, it's a scam. Hey Christian, Cortex is better and safer for trading pocket option. Both of them are safe. The only difference is that one is allowed worldwide, which is Pocket, and the trading platform is slightly faster. But that's it. Both of them are trusted. All right, take a look. We have a nice put right here on CADJPY. Would even say it's gone. No, it's not gone. I think it's still good. Maybe in 1 minute candlesticks, you would say now it's too risky, and you might be a little bit right. But the 5 minute candlesticks looks like it potentially could start dropping. You know what? This is a 50-50 trade. Um, 50 minute candlesticks though is pushing the price down. We'll see what happens here. You're welcome. You're welcome. What is wrong with these people creating fake profiles with my pictures and stuff? I even updated my picture right now. People, by the way, the BLW Binary Master app is open. I send signals every single day. Today we were able to make 4 wins, 0 losses, and not only that, but the 24-hour signals bot that I created is doing much better. Yesterday we had a 60%, which is tricky because it should be way more than that. And because depending on your entry, you get even better results. And so far it's doing really good. After the 4-0 I had, I made over $1,000. Then we have this is a loss. Then we have a winner, a loss, a loss. This is a winner. Even though it's red, it's a positive pip. It's just due to spread. A winner, a loss, a winner, and so on. So you're more than invited. It's only $29.99 a month. BLWBinaryMasterApp.com. You could even get a 30% off if you use the promo code MONEY. What's the most use of your 50 RSI or 1 minute strategy? I use more the 1 minute strategy, but I use it more because it gives you faster trades. That's the entire reason. That's it. But if you ask me which one is more accurate, more technical, more profitable, is the 50 RSI. It has more confirmations. Usually when I jump to 1 minute candle, I take the opposite candle color when stochastic is overextended and looking to cross in the trend direction for the next 5 minutes or rest remain the candle. Quite risky to go opposite on stochastic, but the bot I have connect, but it's not working. What? What bot? What are you talking about? Did you smash the like button already, people? Go ahead and smash the like button. We won the first trade. I'm not sure if you guys entered. Well, I haven't won it yet. There you go. All right, we won the first trade. I'm not sure if you guys were able to enter because, as usual, there's a delay on YouTube. One thing I don't like right now, obviously, is the market conditions. I think I can still enter the exact same trade. I see the same continuation on it. So I could re-enter. Risking very little, though. We'll see. I mean, like, to follow the higher trend from 5 and 15. Oh, you mean so when you are looking for a put, you enter a red candle, a green candle, I'm sorry, and when you enter a call, you enter a red candle. Is that what you mean? If that's what you mean, you're good because you're entering uh you're entering a retraction. I'm from Dubai. I'm not from Dubai. Come on, man. Don't come here and ask for money. What's wrong with you? Don't help them. Like, you gotta work for it, man. I have a video that I'm going to create about how you can start with zero money, which would be with affiliate marketing pretty much. You can start making money with affiliate marketing. Your team told me when my PC is off, I can't work. Why? Because MT4 is off. If you pay for a VPS, then you can turn the computer off. But if your computer is off and you don't have a VPS, then yeah, the robot is not going to work. MT4 doesn't work. Okay. Crust Gut flavors. All right. Did you guys already try to open your first account with close option? You should. Like, you really should. Close option. They even have tournaments and stuff. So go ahead and check it out. I put the link right there in the description so you guys can check it out. Available in the US. How much it cost? What? King White. I don't know. Oh, you mean the VPS? Well, it really depends. The one for MT4, I think is like $39 for like 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. Just try to look it up. And you can choose any other. There are cheaper ones. I just trust the one on MT4. I think we're gonna win another trade right now. This is my first time joining. How do I understand this? To make, I guess, a good $1,000 a month. Man, you gotta read a lot. You gotta watch a lot of videos. I have thousands of videos. All you gotta do first is go and smash those like buttons. Subscribe, watch all my videos, and so on. Yeah, you can change your life. You enter when a new candle? No, I just enter when I see like a big jump or something like that. Right now, I'm not going to enter because I think the RSI stick there for a lot. So it's got 50-50 chance to break or to continue down. My life has changed ever since I started following you. I'm happy to know that. I would like to be among the 10 people to do the back testing of the robot. How can I join? I'm selling the beta testing for $300. Okay, this is off topic, by the way. Go and check my Telegram channel. I put the announcement there. I actually have already four spots already went away, so only have 6. Does this work in OTC? Yeah. You mean this strategy? Yeah. Which videos do you recommend watching to start understand the graphs? I've been filling for a few months. Go to blwtradingacademy.com. blwtradingacademy.com. It's 100% free. Once you go to blwtradingacademy.com, go where it says go to lessons. Take all my training, like all for beginners, how to deposit, how to withdraw, all this stuff. And then come back to my channel. I mean, after watching the streaming, right? Smash the like before you go. What's the best time for this strategy? I know the time matter. I think in New York session, 6 a.m., 12 noon, Thursday. Yeah. Best times for this or any other strategy, I would say, at least the ones that I use. It is right now. What time is it in New York? It's 1 p.m., right? So I would say 7 a.m. to like 11 a.m. New York time, like 1 hour before now, because right now you can see the markets is very slow. My 50 RSI set up like this because in Quadex you don't have 3 levels, you only have 2, so I only use the 50. I kind of feel like the temptation of going in again, but I don't like the 1 minute, so I'm just not gonna go in. Everything is very slow right now. I might have to go to OTC. Well, I don't have to, I'm making money anyways. So far I made $337. I know it's not a lot, but I can buy myself a bunch of cappuccinos at Starbucks right now. This is the time to ask as many questions, even if you think it's the dumbest question in the world, as long as it's not, how do I do this? No, it's a very specific question. There's no dumb questions. And of course, if you're not asking for money, this is the time to ask any questions you guys want to. For auto trades, what time do you use the strat? All right, King White, I know you're concerned about the auto trader. We can leave those questions by the end of the streaming. Right now, go ahead and check out the strategy, the 50 RSI. Are from Guatemala. If I'm from Guatemala, yeah, I'm from Guatemala. There is no entry whatsoever. This one right here looks, let me see. I wouldn't enter. Oh, Jesus. Um, what are the best times to do these trades? On the weekends? The weekends don't have any schedule. If you use OTC, you don't have any schedule. When are you starting the copy trader on pocket options accounts already? Yeah. Like I said, I don't want to explain these things here. I explained that on Telegram. Some people would understand why. Do currency pairs matter? Yeah. All right. Now I think we have a nice chance right here on USD. We'll see. Um yeah, I think I don't trade CHF pairs at all. I don't like them. They have big movements like in few seconds, like they usually like this, and then boom, they jump, make you lose all of the trades. But yeah, other than that, I think you're good. What if SMA is uptrend and RSI is below the 50 level? Do we take a call position or wait for the RSI above the 50? If it's uptrend and the RSI is below the 50, you're good to go. Because the point is that it'll start retracting, or at least that's what we want. It starts to retract. This trade is dropping. Who else sleepy today? You feel sleepy? It's been a long day. Very profitable day. I want to say that up front. Forex and binary, both of them super, super profitable today. I don't want to double enter on this trade because it's like I said, it's in the morning schedule. You get to see volatility, so you get to see movement, and you're able to enter many times. But here, it's too slow. Even this one is slightly faster than the previous one. Hey, do you smash the like button already, people? We're making cash of a fist. You follow me on Instagram? Oh, are you part of the Telegram channel? Free? Let's do it. Let's do it. Well, man, like very few people active on Instagram. Oh, today is the Champions League, right? Yeah, people are not active today. We got pretty good games actually going on today. Chelsea against Barcelona. This should be interesting. Questions, people. Questions. There you go. What pair is that, please? This is Euro CAD. Is the quality not good? I think I'm streaming at 1080p. It's Euro CAD. I have seen trends where SMA is uptrend, but the RSI has touched the 30 level. Yeah, it's nearly impossible, but it has happened. Mostly during volatility, could be news or stuff like that. What position should be? There you go. We won 3 positions in a row. What position should the stochastic oscillator be to enter a call position? The green line has to be below the orange line, like preparing for a jump. You know what I mean? Or if it's a put, then above. You know what I mean? Like preparing for a crossover. So we're 3 out of 3. Last time we were 3 out of 4. So today's a better session than last time. All right, people, officially open for all Q&As. any type of topic, anything you want to know except my bank account codes, we're good to go. Let's do it. Q&A. This is the opportunity. King White. Now you can ask any questions. You asked the question before, right? For auto traders, what time do you use to start? I start at 7:20 8:20 my local time, 9:20, 9:25. You got to activate the robot before market opens, otherwise it's just going to miss it, right? OTC cool, but then pairs are basically artificial intelligence, unpredictable at times. That's true. I messed up and blew an account on Sunday like that, not following my rules. Got to be disciplined. That's true. Look, OTC is a great opportunity to trade when real markets are not available. But let's face it, it's AI. It's not the real market. And so what I recommend you to do is just take your profits and get the hell out immediately. And if you can trade with real markets, then trade with real markets instead, just to be on the safe side. All right. By the way, people, inviting you again, I'm going to start using close option from now on. It's a broker that is available in the US. And if any chance you want to give it a try, I'm putting the link in the chat right now, and it's also available in the description. If you're watching this on the replay, go ahead and smash the like button, and you can leave a comment with your question as well. As a matter of fact, you know what? Since we have time to spare right now, because I'm not going to place more trades, I already made my profits, I'm going to answer questions to you. And right now I'm going to pull up some comments on YouTube, and I'm going to answer those comments live. That way, you know, obviously if it's an insult, I'm just going to insult them back. How to follow the Telegram? Link is in the description. Link in the description. Don't look it up. Use the link. That way you don't get scammed. What's your best advice to help when struggling with revenge trading or get too emotional while trading? Have a set of rules. Okay. There's a stream that I had last week where I explained my trading plan, like when to stop, when to continue, and so on. Go ahead and check it out. And if not, yesterday we talked about emotions as well. So check out yesterday's streaming. Because I live in Europe and I want to know the exact time. Well, GMT time, I don't know if that helps. GMT time is 15:25 GMT. That time you need to activate the robot. 15:25. It's 9:25 my time. So I'm not sure what time that is on whatever you are. Just try to do the conversion. Okay. Let's go ahead and answer some comments right now. Comment says, super awesome, Chris. Would you provide us with a course training like this for Forex? Yes, I will. Let me just reply. Yes, I will in a live stream. Or maybe I will make a video. Thank you so much. I've watched so many trading videos and I have been pretty profitable. But this right here, what you showed is incredible. Leverage crypto and it works. I'm happy to know that. I'm not even sure he talks about crypto. Okay, yeah, I think that's a real comment. I was looking for this kind of video from you. Let's see what you will teach us. Which question in the live chat? Which one is profitable? 1 minute strategy or 5 minute strategy? I use 5 minute strategy as I feel 1 minute strategy is too risky for me. That's true. That's the point. Both of the strategies work, but you need to choose which one actually it's more suitable for you, which one makes you feel more confident, and then stick to that one. As a matter of fact, I think the 5 minute strategy is even better, like more accurate, less emotional, and so on. And so I would say get that one as a beginner because the 1 minute strategy is a little bit more volatile, you know, so it plays with your emotions just a little bit more. And yeah. Next question on the live chat says, can I enter a trade when the stochastic is moving between 80 and 20? Or should I wait for the above 80 or below 20? The stochastic. Are you talking about the 1 minute strategy or the 5 minute? Because it makes a difference. If it's in the 5 minutes, as long as it's, right there at the 80, is good. If it's for the 1 minute strategy, it has to be above. What are the best videos to watch that you have to understand the graphs? Again, same question. That's the second time you asked that. Go to blwtradingacademy.com. blwtradingacademy.com right here. It's 100% free. Only people in my real community know this because it is sold for $29. I don't know if you know that. But just so that you know, go to lessons, and it will take you. Oh, it was taking me to the whoop. All right. I'll send you an actual link. Yeah, it's for $29. You see what I mean? It's for $29. If you can pay that, awesome. Go ahead and pay that. If not, go to my private Telegram channel. I shared an actual link that skips that. Let me share that channel because I don't want you guys to get scammed or anything. Shit, I don't know. I don't know how to share the link on a Mac. All right, you're gonna find it somewhere, but it's free. Okay, I have it for free. I'm gonna try to send you the link or something. If not, just pay the $29. It's worth it anyways. Great video. Continuing with the comments while you guys ask more questions. You guys can ask as many questions as you want to. We had no super chats whatsoever, which sucks. Great video. Thank you. I think you forgot put in the Excel sheet. Yeah, the Excel sheet is my free Telegram channel. I shared it there. I think I pinned it. No, I didn't. All right, but somewhere there. How do you time your entries? I use support resistance, but with 1 minute view and results vary. I only rely on the indicators of these strategies. Oh, the 50 RSI strategy, I did use support and resistance. It helps, but it's not 100% necessary. How do I switch my funds to bucket options to copy trade? You just close and open a new account. That's it. All right, question on the live chat says, for the BLW out of trader, how much is it to join and what's the minimum deposit? Also, which broker do you recommend? Thank you. It is $99.99 a month if you want me to control your trades. Like I connect your account, MT4 or MT5 to my master's account, and I close and open the trades like this. If you want to use it yourself, you can get it for $99.99 a month and you can connect it, or it's included if you're part of the BLW Signals Group. Go to blwsignalsgroup.com. $29.99 and the file is already included, so you can control it yourself. If you want me to control it, it's $99.99 a month. You already understand like what's the risk, right? And the minimum deposit, I would say $500 is good. If you can do more, it's better because indices requires some sort of lot size. And broker, I would say IC Markets is the one that I use. Is the best one. One question: if the RSI goes up and stochastic oscillator goes down, what does that mean? It means high volatility. Don't trade there. Don't trade those. All right, question on the live chat. In a losing trade, I end up investing more money than required. How do I control and stop lose in binary? Look, what you're like describing right now is just discipline and emotional trading. How do you stop? Just stop. I mean, I don't even know how to put it. Like, just stop. You already know when to stop. It's just like you hope that the next trade is going to be the life-changing trade, and that doesn't happen. So just stop. I love you too, man. In 5 minute strategy, when I jump to one candle in stochastic is overextended, but it's flat, should I wait to enter until it's not flat? Yeah, avoid that trade. Just look for a more clean setup. What's the good lot size for me to use to trade because my account is €900? One lot size is good, I think. depending on your leverage. I'm 1/300 and one lot is good. You guys want me to show off something? Something crazy? The new robot for turbo, I started testing it today, and this is what's been going on. I actually started yesterday, and I started with a $200 account, ended up right now for $475. 2 days. 125% profits. Just today, 28.20% profits. Insane. I have a beta testing period. Well, not beta testing period. I'm selling 10 beta testing lifetime accesses to this robot for $300. You can check it out. Go to my Telegram channel. I offered that right there. It's with crypto, either Bitcoin or US30. USDT. And it is for US30. I haven't tested it on NASDAQ, but on US30, you can get it on MT4. Only 10 people. 4, I've given it away. I haven't been notified if another one while I'm live. Hold on. Okay, 5. 5 spots only left. Go to the Telegram channel. I put right there the addresses where you need to send the payment or talk to my support team in chat. Make sure you're talking to the real person. That's why you just go to my Telegram channel, all right? Because you might fall into any trap somewhere here. For $300, and that's it. And this is a real account. Real account. Okay? Let's see. Show off. Where can I find the video and channel for Forex training? It's in my YouTube channel. There's a lot of videos actually. You are really my mentor. I'm happy. Demo trade for us while we chat, Chris. I don't really demo trade anymore. How it works? You connect it to your MT4. That's it. There's a lot of explanation. I actually made a video explaining that thing, this robot over there in my Telegram channel. Okay, it's literally right there. Go ahead and check it out. All right, 5 more minutes for questions, people. The majority of people has been leaving already the streaming, which is okay. So 5 more minutes. $300 for deposit or for the products? For the product. I give up. Well, it's not for everybody. You would expect me to tell you don't give up, but you know how I roll. I never give up, man. I have a tattoo on my back. It says never give up. I never give up. That's some nice coffee. Noon coffee. It's 1 p.m. here almost. So, last few questions, people. Am I lagging? What the hell is going on with my stream? I don't trade gold. Yeah. Why is this thing lagging anyways? Audio's good. So I don't know. All right, last question, people. Anybody has the last question, or we just dismiss this meeting? We made a total today live of $351. It's not bad. It's not bad for a live stream. I just made the lifetime access to the beta testing of the VLW US30 Turbo Robot HFT. The robot is going to be lifetime. If you buy it right now, it's lifetime. Van is going to cost $1,000. I'm not going to sell it for less than $1,000. And I'm showing you exactly why. Like, I explained this on the video on the free Telegram channel. Yeah, only 2 US30. So let's say that you have 200 like myself, and you're able to double up the account for a week. You can see that I doubled that in 1 day, but let's say that you can double up for a week. In 1 week will be 400, 2 weeks would be 800, 3 weeks would be 1,600, and 4 weeks will be 3,000. So that means that you can take 200 into 3,000. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but just do the math. go ahead and check out my Telegram channel for more info. All right. All right, people. That's going to be it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And as usual, I'll see you guys tomorrow with the new streaming. I'm not sure what the topic is tomorrow, but it should be fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, people. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.